Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am psychologist Mashika Sethi and you are tuned into Leap Over Life. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So whenever I post, you get a notification and you do not miss any of my video. So do not forget to follow me on my Instagram as well as on my Facebook. Links to both of the profile will be given in the description box below. So before starting today's video, I would like to ask you all a very important question. And I want you to comment your answers below, okay? So, what is the secret recipe that you all follow to make a healthy relationship? Okay, I'll be telling my secret recipe in this video and you all will be telling me your recipe in the comment box, okay? Deal? So let's start. So according to me, we all need love, compassion, trust, accountability, safety, cooperation, support, and most importantly, trust. So according to me, these 7 ingredients are most of all important to make any relationship to be a healthy relationship. So what do I mean by all these words that I just mentioned? What do they mean in any relationship? And how can they help you maintain a healthy relationship? Okay, come on, let's start the journey. I'll explain it to you. Love. We all know what love means, so I don't need to explain that. Okay? So we move on to the other word, that is accountability. Accountability means taking responsibility for what you have done. Either it's wrong or it's right, doesn't matter. You need to take responsibility for that. And go forward and tell your partner, your parent, your sibling or anyone who's in that relationship that I'm really sorry I did this. And ask for forgiveness. Then comes trust. See, how this trust works, it is a very tricky word and it is a very tricky part of any relationship. First of all, to maintain trust, you both need to respect each other's word and understand them. You both need to respect each other's personal space and give benefit of doubt. Then comes safety. See, safety will come on its own when you will start trusting the other person with your secrets, with each and everything that you are doing in your life, and automatically the sense of safety will come. See, even the vibes also, there are some vibes that we get from each person. And if you have done all the things that I'll be telling you in this video and still you don't get that vibe or that sense of safety, then I'm sorry, that person is not right for you. Honesty. You need to be honest with your partner no matter what you have done or what you are going to do, or either it will hurt the other person or not, no matter. Be honest and then you will resolve it on your own. But the key to resolving any issue is a good communication. You need a good communication. Then comes support. No matter your partner, your child, your sibling is failing in his or her field and still he or she wants to pursue that, you just need to support him or her. Support them. In order to support the person, you need to offer encouragement. You can advise if you think the choices that the partner has made is wrong and still he or she wants to pursue it, then you should support the choices that the person is making. And then comes cooperation. Cooperation is to be done from the both sides. You need to make adjustments, both of you. Not a single person, right? And if you have done all these things, then automatically respect will come. Respect other person's choices, advices, honesty, apologizing. Respect each and everything the other person is doing. Even respect if the other person doesn't know how to do anything in the relationship and still he or she is trying to make things work. Respect other person's efforts that he or she is putting to maintain this relationship, because once the thread is broken, you may join it together, but a knot will always be there. No matter how strong you make, but a knot will always be there. So, according to me, these all are the important ingredients, I would say essential ingredients to make a recipe of healthy relationship. If you agree with me or you disagree with me, if I missed anything, do not forget to comment and tell me what do you think about it. And do follow me on my Instagram and Facebook. The information to contact me will be given at the end of the video, and the link to my Instagram and Facebook profile will be in the description box below. So I'll meet you next time and stay tuned. Bye.